Good day everyone. How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to use the Microsoft Excel in Android phone. So without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, the very first step you can do, you can search for this Microsoft Excel here in the Play Store. And after that, you can do the installation with it and you can start to open it. So this will be the look when you already do the sign in or the sign up with it. And if you'd like to know the process, so you can actually follow the instruction. And if you have the Microsoft account. So you can continue with the sign in process and you can just put your email and password and after that this Microsoft will send you privately the OTP into your inbox and after that you can put the I guess it was a 6 digit of the OTP number and after that you can follow the next instruction and will this will be the section that you can start to do the let's say create your data into this Microsoft Excel guys. And if you would like to let's say interested about their package, so you can visit this diamonds up here, which is the package that this Microsoft offers. For example, the monthly package or the yearly package. Which one do you prefer? And you can start to have the 30 days 30 days of free trial and if you are interested then you can start to click this button and you can continue to do the next step guys. However, if you'd like to try it in another time, don't worry because you can skip it up, scroll down and finally you can start to create your very first, let's say the blank data or the blank project here. So to start off the working process, you can click this plus and you'll see this is the template by this Microsoft Excel from the regular blank workbook until if you scroll down, you'll find the video game tracker. So you can do the experiment with it. And for example, I will choose this one and you can start to put your data into this cell. For example, I will type here. I'm sorry. For example, I will type 1. And how can I pop up this keyboard? So initially it was the regular keyboard like this. And if you'd like to pop up the numeric keyboard, so you can choose this option. And if you click this one, this will be the calendar that you can put into this cell, guys. And also this will be the sheet. And if you would like to go back to the normal keyboard, so you can click this, I guess it's a folder, and click this normal or QWERTY button. And for example, I will type the 2, and for example, I will give the plus or the addition for this value. I will type the equal and select this cell and type plus and select this cell and enter or click this button. So this will be the result. And also you can play with this, the formula over here. For example, it's gonna be sum. If I use the uppercase and open parentheses, they will usually give you the list a lot of formulas over here. So there you go. And for example, I will drag this cell like this, and this will be the result. So basically, you can create your workbook into this Microsoft Excel in your smartphone, and it will help you whenever you don't bring the laptop, and you can keep working through this smartphone, guys. So that's all. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this Microsoft Excel into your Android phone. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.